Did you know that investing in the stock market could be your first step toward financial freedom? But wait, does it all seem too complicated or risky? Don't worry. In this video, we'll break down the stock market into simple, easy to understand steps so you can start your journey to financial success today. Hi, and welcome to this beginner's guide to the stock market. Whether you're looking to grow your wealth, secure your future, or just understand what everyone's talking about, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what the stock market is, how it works, and how you can start investing with confidence. Think of the stock market as a marketplace, like your local grocery store, but instead of buying fruits and vegetables, people buy and sell shares of companies. Shares represent ownership in a company. When you buy a share, you're essentially buying a small piece of that company. Companies need money to grow, whether it's to develop new products, expand to new locations, or hire more people. To raise this money, they sell a part of their ownership in the form of shares to the public. This process is called an IPO, or initial public offering. Imagine an auction where buyers and sellers meet to negotiate prices. The stock market works similarly. Buyers place bids for the price they're willing to pay, and sellers ask for the price they want. When the bid and ask prices match, a trade happens. Historically, the stock market has delivered better long-term returns than other forms of investments like savings accounts or gold. By investing, your money works for you and grows over time through the power of compound interest. Stock exchange platforms like NYSE, NASDAQ, or NSE, where shares are bought and sold. Broker, a middleman who helps you trade stocks. These days, online brokers make it easy to trade from your phone. Portfolio, the collection of investments you own. Bull market vs bear market. A bull market means prices are rising, and a bear market means prices are falling. Educate yourself. Learn the basics just like you're doing now. Set financial goals. Decide why you're investing. Is it for retirement, buying a house, or building wealth? Choose a broker. Find an online platform to buy and sell stocks. Start small. Begin with a small amount to understand how the market works. Diversify. Don't put all your money into one stock, spread it across different companies and sectors. Don't invest based on rumors or tips. Always do your research. Avoid emotional decisions. The market goes up and down. Stay focused on your long-term goals. Don't invest money you can't afford to lose. Congratulations. You now understand the basics of the stock market. Remember, investing is a journey. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more tips on investing and personal finance.